Just start. It looks like a Porsche, dude.
Faze, take a moment, let it phase you. Faze, take a moment, let it phase you.
Before we get into this, go ahead, like the video, subscribe. We just be doing fun shit. We just be doing fun things, fun stuff. We just be doing fun, random stuff. So I need y'all to subscribe because it's gonna be more lit content. I just set up my new setup. It's kind of dirty in here. Look at that too, right there. Ain't that cool? It says Curtis, by the way, if y'all can't tell. I don't know why I have so much energy. It's like 10 o'clock. What am I saying right now? I don't even know. So I'm gonna stop talking. I'm gonna take y'all upstairs and hopefully we can catch Davis pull up in the Urus and get in that drunk. Let's go. They kind of dirty, but you know. I did just fall up the stairs. No, it's dedication. Also, y'all tell me if these vlogs are like weird. Like, I know it'd just be random stuff. If y'all enjoy it though, I'm gonna keep doing it. And I'm gonna keep asking y'all to subscribe to my channel because I need more subscribers, I need more minutes, I need more. Hey, wait a second. I'm outside. He finna pull up right now. He just told me he's about to pull up. I know y'all hear it. Y'all know I'm a fiend for the cars, man. This is my little guy right here, Roscoe. Little BMW 335. Davis got the Tesla, the gold Tesla. Oh, look at that. Look at that. Oh my God. Man, oh man. So, hola. Clean, what up? Tell 'em what's up.
I was going with y'all, man.
Man, y'all know I'm a fiend for the cars. Got the nice little Lamborghini sign. The Urus looking clean. Oh, Davis over here looking fresh.
Man,
say what's up.
What's going on with y'all, man?
Oh, y'all see it.
Hey,
Look,
this interior is way better than the other one because it got the red seats and the carbon fiber everywhere.
Right. All right. So you did hop in the Urus before. It was the white one from Davis's old video.
Right.
But look at this. This is a black one. It's really tough. Black wheels, blacked out. Hey, hit the exhaust one time. Sheesh. One more. Yes, sir. All right, we're gonna take it for a ride real quick.
Through the sand in a G, all because of what I did on beats.
Go the wrong way?
Nah. Very clean.
I'm falling, why you making problems? I've been silent, why you making problems?
Oh, actually, you can play music real quick. I like having some clips that have like a little snippet of music for a second, and then just cut it like 2-3 seconds.
We the best music. Another one. Call me, leave all of your things, yeah. You can stop at Gucci, stop at Louis V.
I know we had to stop at the spot, Buffalo Wild Wings, ImDavisss, one time, but I'm not gonna lie to y'all, I don't even want wings right now. I just had the best wings in Atlanta. If y'all know, BTJ's is the spot. Anybody that goes to Spelman, Morehouse, Clark, y'all know. But I just had wings earlier, so I don't know what I could get that's fresh.
Nothing's open that's fresh is great. You have to commit, man.
I don't want it. I'm gonna just be hungry for the night. Won't be the first time I go at night without eating. Let's hit QT real quick. Walk up there or drive? This thing is actually really cold though. Versus the white one from before. Very tea. But Davis, what were you saying?
It looks like a Porsche, dude. It looks
Like-
exactly like a Porsche. Like, if you look at it from right here on this side angle, and you take a picture,
It kind of looks.
you would think this is the Porsche Cayenne, right?
On the low. So if you did ever get a Lambo, it'd have to be like the Lambo-iest Lambo you could ever get. You know what I'm saying? Like, yeah, I feel you on that.
Yes, sir. 3D mode. Go ahead, Sean. Go ahead. How do you do this?
Oh, I didn't even know you could move it.
Yeah, you know.
Oh, wow. That's great.
I just did the worst recording ever.
That's cool. That's tough, though.
I could back up like this.
I think you could, bro, actually.
I'm gonna turn like this. So I can see.
Is it not moving with the car?
It is.
Oh, it is. It is.
This is a terrible idea. Scratched. It's over. Rip Lambo.
I'm not gonna lie, though. That LA vlog, when I said I'm gonna have to voiceover, it actually ended up coming out kind of nice.
The post vlogs are, it's a vibe. Pulling up in my Porsche right now.
And next thing. I'm gonna get it. Let me get a smoothie. Let me get the healthy one, man. That's you get it?
Those healthy?
Are there? No sugar added.
You just lied.
They did. Let me not say that. If y'all ever want to sponsor me naked, you know what I'm saying? This is some great smoothies. You should drink them if you want to look like me.
You can't give them the
I didn't say that. I didn't say it. I'm going to cut that.
Push the start.
I was trying to treat you nice. Funny, I understand. See me when I'm outside.
All right, now this. Now this. You know what I'm saying? I'm in a Lamborghini. Oh, fuck, I can't talk. I'm in a Lamborghini. Got to put my seatbelt on first. About to go very safe. I was about to say go crazy, but I'm about to be. Oh, I put it in reverse. See, how do I do it?
It's going.
Put it in drive. It's in reverse.
Hit the right one on the wheel. Boom.
It's in manual though now. Big bet. You know what I'm saying? Big boy stuff. In the big boy Lambo.
Oh, that does have the house on it.
Oh gosh. Change it to like radio or something. Or like
You know how to get home?
Yeah. Actually, that's cap.
Oh man.
How do I do this?
It's on.
Just gotta go here. Okay.
Got the 4 series, I should cop the 6 after the World Series. I just caught the rich from trees and damages. I had these snakes to harm me with bad business. Fuck out of here.
I'm in the Lamborghini and I'm listening to Bryson Tiller. You guys know me.
Woke up in the hills this morning.
Oh my gosh, hope y'all can hear the crackles. Wait, can y'all hear it? Oh man, that's great. And it has a nice heads-up display.
Can you see it?
You can't even see it through the video.
Really?
I don't think you can. I'm not gonna lie to you. I might be sounding. Your Tesla's kind of faster. Like, is it not?
I don't know, bro.
Alright, I don't want to disrespect Lamborghini like that. I don't want to disrespect Lamborghini like that. Like, the car sounds amazing, right? But low key, I think the Tesla's quicker.
Oh man.
Okay, that was 50. Never mind. Who knows? We gonna race him one day?
Yeah. Next week.
Go check out Davis's channel. His second channel, ItsDavisss. He's gonna race Lamborghini versus the Tesla.
Should probably roll that up to get audio.
But yeah, they're gonna end up racing the Lamborghinis anyway. The Lamborghini and the Tesla is probably gonna be Cole's Lambo and Davis's gold Tesla. Y'all gonna wanna check that out at ItsDavisss. I know I don't have that many subscribers, but you know, still gotta shout it out. Y'all go check that out.
That's love.
Yeah, this is dope though. It's a Lamborghini. Like, there's nothing like a Lamborghini. Like, it sounds. Sheesh, that's nice. Sounds like a Lamborghini. Looks like a Lamborghini. Feels like a Lamborghini. Does it look like a Lamborghini? Looks like a Porsche kind of. I'm just rambling though. I'm not gonna lie to you. Wow. I gotta get better at this. Oh, sheesh, yeah. That's wild. Okay. I see you. Ooh, don't get crossed up, man. Switch